APEMAN 1440P and 1080P dual dash cam FHD front and rear camera for Cars Review 2019. Ultra HD resolution single front camera provides you with a crystal clear WQHD 1440p at 30 fps video. 1080p dual lens in both front and rear cameras monitor the roads ahead and behind the car simultaneously in super clear definition. APEMAN Dash camera with 150 degrees wide-angle monitors all directions without visual blind zone, which makes it clearer to view video. Record longer time video automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. It supports 128 GB memory maximally and provides longer time recording than any other products. Emergency accident lock G sensor means the camera automatically detects shake or collision, then start recording what is happening. These videos will be locked and won't be overwritten by the loop recording feature. Keep you away from driving disputes. User-friendly design 2.7-inch LCD widescreen, wide field of view, select picture-in-picture mode for real-time playback before and after road conditions. The 4 buttons on the right side make it feel more comfortable, easier to operate, and have a long service life. Professional after-sales service. APEMAN customer service team provides you with the most efficient and professional after-sales service. Regardless of your questions or needs, please feel free to contact us, and we will provide you with a solution within 24 hours. At the same time, all APEMAN products support a 1-month free return, 12-month warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.